So you planted Daikon radish. When do you harvest the seed? At what stage are they ready? So I've got a lot of Daikon right here. I've got some that is green, I've got some that is tan, I've got some that is brown, and I've got some that's all crinkly and crackly. And it's when you can just snap it, like the tips all the way through, they just snap, and you just squeeze them, and then the seeds come right out. So there's not many seeds per pod in the radish pod. I just lost a seed in that, so just imagine one more. But if you actually do this with the green things, the green pods, you aren't going to get mature seeds. You're going to get immature seeds, like so. And so what can be done with these green pods is you can pickle them, and they're delicious. But if you let them go further until they're fully crispy, dry, then you will have good seeds that will grow the next year. So this is super easy to do. This is super fun. If you love seed saving, you can start today with Daikon radish. Just pick them when they're fully dried down, and then you can take those seeds inside. You can store them in the fridge so that they have a really long lifespan. They don't get moldy if they're fully dried down, keep in mind. And then you can use them the next year. You don't have to keep them in the fridge. I like keeping them in the fridge or the freezer. I find that seeds do much better if you have them as best preserved as possible. And if they're fully dried down, the fridge is a great place for them. The freezer is an even better place. So if you like Daikon radish, check out the 5 Cousins video that I'll post at the end of this video for you to go check out. They're great biological tillage. They're great at scrounging up the nitrogen that's freely available in the soil. They also bioaccumulate phosphorus. So they're an incredible fertilizer plant as well. So consider growing Daikon radish next year. The seeds are very easy to save. Someone asked me about it. That's why I made this video. If you have a question about gardening, please post it below and I'll do a video on it for you. And if you want to learn even more, if you want to dive deep, you want to learn in depth with me, the Advanced Permaculture Student Online is starting just in a few days. It starts October 28th, and this is a 10-month course. We're having incredible, absolutely unbelievable bonuses this time. Bonus courses, multiple bonus courses. We're having, goodie bags with exclusive rice knives not available anywhere in the world other than this launch. This is the, out of stock, like small rice knife from the Permaculture Tools company, Jeff Lawton's son, Daniel Lawton's company. This is what many of you have been waiting for. You're not gonna wanna miss it. You're wanting to click the link and check out and see the amazing bonuses that are available. If you're into permaculture, you don't wanna miss this. It's a PDC, but it's also an advanced PDC. So you make your project that you put on paper real. And you get the feedback, the guidance that you need to do things that are usually impossible for us to do alone. And you get your certification for doing something real in the real world. And so when people ask you, you're doing permaculture, what do? You get to say, I have my advanced permaculture certification and this was my project. If you'd like to learn more about this, check out the Advanced Permaculture Student Online down there in the links, or you can watch excerpts from it. There's a playlist on this channel. If you're like, man, I learned so much on this channel, there's so much information that you bring, then you should check out the Advanced Permaculture Student Online, because everything I'm doing here is just a piece of a greater whole, and that greater whole is found in the Advanced Permaculture Student Online. There's incredible deals right now, incredible bonuses, but it's only for a limited time. So click the link and check it out. I'll be talking about it all week, doing new videos all week. So post your questions below. I'll be answering them. I'll be making videos about them. So get excited. We're going to be having a giveaway as well. So be super excited about that. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And I'll see you soon.